Hello, so today I'm going to teach you how to build this cool Lego vending machine. I'm going to take a picture, of course, after it's done. So first you're going to need this piece right here. Let's set that down here. So you need these two glass pieces. You take this piece here. And you take these two pieces right here and you stack them just right here. And then you're going to need 8 of these square red 1x1s. And you stack them on just like this. And of course, same for the other side. You need more of the square pieces. I'll put it over here and just stack. So this next part is also very easy. So you're gonna need four of these on one side and then 4 on the other side. Just like so. Now to this side. 2, 3, and 4. Now that that's done, you're going to need these 1x4 pieces. You're going to need one of these. This here. Then you take this one up here, this 1x1, and then you put this 1x1 here. Then you add this little vent piece in the very top and in the back, just like so. You should have something like this. Now to add the roof. Now you need these pieces, 2 of them. So you stack this piece here, and hold on, it's not going down. In this piece here, like so. Now, if you want to add in like food, or like drinks or condiments, or whatever you want in your vending machine, remove the roof, like so, and then take some of these pieces. You can build them however you want. So build them up 4, just so they're just barely touching the roof. And then you stick them in like this and push them down so they're like touching the glass. And build the other one. Alright, that second piece is down. Now re-add the roof if you put in any contents inside of the vending machine. And there you go. You got yourself a Lego vending machine.